Have you ever noticed how you can suddenly sprint away from danger despite an injury? Feeling zero pain until the adrenaline fades? That's the power of your body's internal pharmacy, and today, we're uncovering exactly how endorphins act as your brain's natural painkillers. When your body experiences stress or physical trauma, your pituitary gland releases endorphins directly into your bloodstream. These chemicals are structurally similar to morphine and act as neurotransmitters that bind to opioid receptors in your brain. By latching onto these receptors, they effectively block pain signals from being transmitted to the central nervous system. This is why high-intensity exercise, the infamous runner's high, can make you feel physically invincible. But it isn't just about blocking pain, it's about mood regulation. 2. Endorphins also trigger the release of dopamine, the brain's reward chemical, which creates a feeling of euphoria. Interestingly, while we often call them happy hormones, they don't make you happy. They simply eliminate the physical signals that make you miserable. Surprisingly, laughter is one of the fastest ways to spike these levels, acting a natural anesthetic for your emotions. Want to know why some people crave extreme sports just to feel this chemical rush? We'll explore that soon. Ultimately, your body is hard, wired to keep you moving by masking discomfort with a temporary natural high. When you understand this process, you learn to manage stress through movement rather than just willpower. If you found this breakdown helpful, and leave a comment sharing what activity gives you your best natural high.